In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a library if you're a first-time user, and then also show you how we can use questions once they're in the library in different sessions within the BravoZone. Since I already have a library existed, if you're starting off for the first time, you're not going to see anything here. So I'm going to go up and create a new library, go to Options, Add New Library. We're going to call this Demo Library, and click Submit. And of course, anytime I can go up to the options and choose to either delete or rename this library or share it with others within my organization. It automatically creates a folder within the library, which I can simply rename it. We're going to call this my first folder. Of course, you can be more creative with the names. And all I'm going to simply do is drag these questions over here. And with a little editing there, we sped that up. Now let's show you how we can use this. Now if I want to rearrange questions within a category, and right now in Quiz Show, I have it set up for 3 categories with 3 questions each. Quiz Show is unique from the standpoint I can't just drag a question over here and it's going to replace it. What I need to do is, first of all, delete the question I want to remove. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to ask me to confirm. Go over and grab a question and simply bring it over. You can also drag and drop within the same category. In addition, I can go ahead and actually rearrange the categories by simply grabbing onto the category and dragging it where I want to place it. Anytime you want to remove a question, simply hover over it and you'll get the garbage can. We're all set to go. I can drag and drop from category to category, but the same rules apply. I need to delete a question first and drag and drop. So let's go ahead and switch to a different format just to demonstrate some of the similar things we just talked about. I'm going to go up to Content, My Content. I'm going to go ahead and find a tally session here. And I know I have one in the second page right here. I'm going to go ahead and go to Actions and Edit. You notice now in Tally we have a singular category, just like you do in Billionaire and most of the other games. So I can go ahead and drag and drop questions any place within that category. I can drag questions over from the library. The one thing I do want to point out, if I bring this question over here, click Open It, and say, you know what, this is false, and click Save. Well, over here, that question is going to stay exactly the same. Any edits you make over here do not affect the original. However, there is a way to edit your content and add questions to a library without using a builder. And all you have to do is go up to Content, Question Library, and you will be presented with a similar looking library. The difference is you can edit everything here with the same functionality you can in a builder. I can go ahead and look at all my libraries here. You'll notice you have an additional key here. I can hit plus to add a question. I'm going to cancel. If I open up a folder, you can see here is a question. And if I want to edit it, just simply double click on it, make my changes. And we're just going to say pick true. And I'm going to click Save. And you notice now it's changed. You can also share your library with others within your organization by simply going to Options, Share, and that will allow you to share with anybody that's at least an editor, builder, or administrator within your organization. We have a new feature that allows you to have a person dedicated to just editing content. What this means is they can create and add or edit any libraries and share it with other instructors within your organization. If this is something you're interested in, please reach out to support@c3softworks.com and we'll get you set up. Well, that's it. If you have any questions about the question library, please feel free to reach out to us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next presentation more engaging. Take care.